We are bringing you a step-by-step method on what to do with the money immediately after you get paid. We have researched the topic and discovered best practices from the smartest personal finance advisors and are listing the steps here. 1. Budget. The first thing that needs to be done when you get paid is to make a budget. This foundational frugal living habit will help you organize your finances to every cent. Typically, you want to make a budget that's detailed and organized, so you know where your money is going. Yes, including that Amazon purchase you probably shouldn't have made. But there's another secret element that can change your finances for the better. If you start keeping track of when you spend money, then you can know how to best manage your money after you get paid. For instance, you may have filled up gas in your car 3 times this week, and only the week after you got your paycheck. But you would have never realized if you were only keeping track of how much you're spending. This knowledge can help you consolidate the times you fill up your gas, so you can avoid having to put in unwanted debt on your credit card. While creating a budget is necessary, it may not solve all your problems directly. However, it allows these next frugal living tips to make you feel instantly richer. 2. Put your money in savings. Whether that's a 401k, a general savings account, or investments, saving your money is one of the best things to do with your money after you get paid. It's easy to forget about savings because it's not a mandatory payment we have to make, like paying a mortgage or a utility bill. This makes saving money the last thing that anyone puts money into. But neglecting your savings actually causes you to fall further away from financial independence. The famous Warren Buffett said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." And look where that philosophy got him. Since it can be hard to remember to place your money into savings, you can create an automatic date and time for money to be sent to your savings account. This way, you'll never worry that you're saving money. Congrats! You've made it through 50% of the frugal living tips in this video, but you won't be able to make the most of your money unless you watch the following tips. 3. Put money in your emergency fund. If you don't have at least 3 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund, then here's the place to put your money after you get paid. The truth is that an emergency can strike at any time, and it's always urgent and costly. If you are ill prepared, it can take a toll on your finances and even destroy any progress you've made. Now, 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses is quite a lot. For instance, if you need around $2,000 for 1 month, then you're looking at needing a grand total of $6,000 to survive for 3 months. Fortunately, the sooner you start saving and the more consistently you do it, you'll get to that 3-month mark in no time. To make sure you're always placing money in your emergency fund, be sure to set up automatic payments on the day of or the day after you receive your paycheck, so that you know you're funding it properly. Before I share this last tip with you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments below whose frugal living habits you'd like to see in upcoming videos. 4. Pay off debt. Debts are likely the biggest money eater that plagues you right now. But rest assured that there's a way to free yourself from the leeching pest so that you can have more money in your pocket. With all your budget created and your savings filled, you can focus on clearing out any remaining debt you have. The most common way people approach clearing debt is through Dave Ramsey's snowball method. This debt clearing method has allowed thousands of people not only to get debt free, but soar into riches. And believe it or not, it's surprisingly simple. All you need to do is find the smallest debt you have. Let's say a credit card that totals $3,000, and aggressively pay it off with as much money as you can without overstraining yourself. When that's paid off, you want to tackle the next smallest debt. You keep doing this until all your debts are cleared, and suddenly, you'll find you have way more money without actually making more money. After learning about the initial steps, next you should know the easiest things to do with your paycheck. Fortunately, we covered 6 smartest frugal living things to do with your money in this next video. My friends, I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, let us know by giving it a like and sharing it with your friends and family. I will keep bringing you these knowledgeable videos, so stay tuned. Thank you.